and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today we are back for our work at 23 and 23 update and drawing of a new number. So last week I drew number 2, which was the Jelly Garden quilt. So this is the pattern. And I bought this on Etsy, and it is called Jelly Garden, and it is by Sweetwater Cotton Shop. And I showed where I was up to. One of the hexagons was partly finished, so that's this one. It is now fully finished. There were a couple of these that were not sewn together, but that is now done. And then I finished the second one. So last week when I showed it, I'd only done that center part and I had all these to sew on, so that is now done. I have ironed the life out of them, so they're now nice and flat. And then I've got a whole bunch of other ones prepped and ready to go. So this will be the next one that I work on, the purples. So that is all ready to go, so I'm happy that I've got that far. I was hoping I'd have another one done, but just getting those finished was pretty good. So let's put those away. Now we will draw another number to see what we're working on this week. So I've got my little bowl, and okay, let's pick out a number. Right, I've got one there. Let's have a look. Okay, it is number, oh gosh, that's clear, number 21. So number 21 on our list is sew a bag, pencil case or pouch, so that'll be fun. There we go, number 21, there we go. So because I don't have that to work on, it's a new start. Next week I'll show you what I've made. So that is it from me today. Very short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed that little video, and next week I will hopefully have a bag, pencil case or pouch to show you. Have a great day everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.